Hundreds of thousands of people were left without electricity in Texas, USA. Widespread destruction caused by the hurricanes brought much of Houston to a standstill. Thunderstorms and hurricane winds swept through the city. The facade of one brick building was destroyed, leaving trees, debris and broken glass in the streets. The tornado also touched down near the northeast Houston suburb of Cypress. More than 500,000 homes and businesses in Texas were without power. Another 21,000 customers were without power in Louisiana, which was hit by high winds and a suspended tornado.